O yan. Second DIY. Straight from the box.
Merry Christmas.
Yan, with the brochure. Christmas gift of
Branding.
Ryan.
Let's see the brand.
Mugen Power. Yun. Mugen steering wheel without horn button. Okay, judges. Mugen Power.
Kakadalag-lagin na to.
Ayun, nilagay ko pala dyan.
Tol, official installer ako.
Ayun nga pala,
Yan.
no, license.
License
May
installer
certificate,
by
may certificate.
Mugen Civic.
Talagang brand new, no? Wow, sir.
Yan talaga yung kay sir eh.
Hindi na ako niya, sa'yo na yan. With the master DIY. And first, you align the hub to the steering wheel. Then you put the screw
While drinking.
while drinking.
Put some libog. How installing it.
Dapat may kasamang, ano yun eh, video nung San Mig Light.
Yan. Master is
Buwan muna tayo dito.
yan. From the master toolbox to the master Allen. Mugen Power Allen
Select
wrenches.
the number 4.
Number 4 of the Mugen Allen wrench fits perfectly with the Mugen bolt on the Mugen R3 steering wheel and the Mugen boot to be installed in the Mugen rack and pinion and Mugen
Lahat new.
Mugen tie rod and ball joint.
And especially the Mugen cross.
And special thanks to Mugen cross wrench for detaching the EG9 SIR2 steering wheel, which is for sale, by the way.
Nagamit mo ba yan?
Alam? Nagamit ko. Ano?
Sandaling.
1 week. 1 week.
Dumating si FG eh. Si First Gentleman.
Kasabay na kasabay talaga siya ni FG.
Oh, sabay na sabay. Puta. Then, Miss Master is tightening the... Oh no. The Allen wrench has thrown away. The Mugen steering wheel. Okay, it's 11:15. It's close shop.
Tomorrow again.
Hindi makakawit. Walang manibela.
It's lunch time.
You use this monkey wrench to DIY steering all the way to sukat.
Ito muna.
Yan, DIY steering. You clamp it there for
It's a
easy
one spoke
steering wheel.
One spoke steering wheel.
Yan. The screw fits perfectly to the
Latest
innovation.
the steering wheel.
Yeah. Whenever you forget your steering wheel because of the quick release, always grab a monkey wrench in you.
Let's test first the
That's
horn.
the horn button.
It's not working.
Oh. It's grounded. Wait. Select another. It's another innovation. Whenever you don't have bought wheel horn, always remember.
Tumaambon yata.
No,
May stars.
there's a stars in the moon is shining bright.
At ayaw.
Yes, that's it. Master is tracing the ground. Okay, that's it. No, it only works with no, with the horn button. Maybe there are some corrosion in the no, in the wheel.
Error. Naman.
Yes, it's very good, huh? Finally, you made the horn, huh? Yes. Then release the screw from the
Goodbye.
release the screw from the old old steering. Then screw the screw the old bolt to the new wheel using the cross wrench, the Mugen cross wrench. Yes, and then
Luwag ulit. Magpasalpak ng plastic. Tanggalin muna natin ito, tol. Pagkano ang kain natin sa talyer. Tuwasan natin. Ito muna.
quick release. Only minor mods,
It's working.
only available on the Mugen quick release, limited edition.
Quick release. Mugen quick release.
Ganda nga kahit wala, oh. Astig kaya.
Skeleton, no?
Oh, astig kaya pare.
New innovation again.
Yeah, another innovation from master installer Mugen Civic 01. Yes. lock it in place, and then tighten the bolt, and then put the horn button.
Test again, test.
Yes, fits and work perfectly. And then the final touch, the spoon button. Yes.
Maluwag. Maluwag. Tingnan natin ang voltage. Okay.
Oh, it fits perfectly. You test the button. Oh, oh, it's perfect. Wow, that's very good. Yeah, it's like go-kart.
Road test.
Okay, road test. You punas the
Pawis.
that's the center, and voila, that's how you put the Mugen steering wheel.